Swimmer number 19 here. I'm doing something different today. It's a game called Extreme Demolition. So we are going to play. And before I start, I'm going to tell you really what you're supposed to do in this game. So you see here, you basically play and try to get all these medals, easy, medium, and hard. If you do good on easy, you'll get the medium. If you do good on medium, you'll get the hard. And then once you get the hard, you unlock new maps. So that's really your goal. And every time you swim into a car or win a race or something, you get money, as you can see in the top right corner. So that way you can buy new cars like this, go to the garage. I have the Smiley car. Well, that's not the name of it, but that's what I'm calling it. Easy. Okay. So we need to unlock medium. Let's rage. This thing is slow. Come here. Yeah. I can see how every time I slam into a car or something, the money goes up. Looks like I'm gonna move that down. I'm at 39. Okay, let's ram these people. Yeah, buddy. Hey, you wanna do some extreme sports? Oh my God. Get off me. Dear Lord. Oh my God. I hate this blue car right now. We're gonna trick him. Try to. Oh my God, you can't do anything. See ya, buddy. Now he made my car slow as balls. I lost. We're gonna restart. Let's rage. We're ready. So really, every time you swim into a car or a truck or something, the money goes up, as you can see in the top right corner. See how I just got $16 for swimming into that car? And if you place first or second, you get bonus money. You get a lot of money if you place first. And you get like around $80. Like, it's called bonus, like position bonus or something like that. Woo! I could just like wall drive. Oh my God, that was awesome. Dear Lord. Let's do some more extreme sports. Extreme sports. Oh my God. He just came and nailed me. Now I barely even have a car. Watch this. Green truck. Oh my Lord. I think I'm gonna do like 2 rounds of this. I think this is just gonna be a gameplay video because you can't really do a series on this. So I guess I'm just gonna be doing like gameplay video in here. Oh my God. My car really sucks right now. Like, I'm going as slow as all balls. Come here. Come here. You want to get some of me? Taking my collars like that. Come on. Come on, I dare you. Come on, let's go. Let's go. You want to tussle? Oh my Lord. I guess I actually lost this round. Since these rounds take forever, I think I'm only going to do like 2 or 1. Now we're catching some speed. I guess whenever you wall run or something, it gives you speed. So let's catch some speed. Not this blue car. Oh, the blue car just blew up. Ha, stupid blue car. Oh my god, the driver. Oh my god, I just got wrecked. How much money did I just get? I know I'm in 900s now. I have this game on my phone, but since I record on something else, I figured I'd play on this. As you can see, whenever I do my tablet videos, you see that little blue person circle kind of thing? Yeah, that's a screen recorder app. It's called Mobizin, so don't mind it. It's not really in the way of anything. So that's really nothing. As you can see, it's counting up. So we're like 6 minutes and 20 seconds in the video. Stream Sports! You can also do multiplayer on here, which is really cool. I don't know if I'm going to do it. I might. Oh, now we're getting slow again. We need to get some money so we can actually like have some speedy cars. I need to get all the speed. Stream Sport! Oh my god! Oh, I did that. Yes, I exploited that guy. That gave my car a real confidence boost because now he's getting faster. Ooh, it's just me and this guy left, so I'm second. So if I blow this car up, I win. Hey, buddy. You want to tussle? My strategy is I stay out of like the piles until there's like the one or two more cars left. Because that way, because they're all banged up from fighting in other, so it's easier to win. This is how you escape. Why, thank you, kind sir. Just put me back on my... I need to get a real big old boost. Okay. Let's wreck this guy. Oh my god. I need to win. I need to win. Please say I can win this. Just stop. Ooh. Because also when he runs into you, it's also giving him damage, but it's giving you more damage. Oh, second place. That's not bad, I guess, but I want to win. Alright, we got 80, so we're in the thousands now. That's good. I guess we'll play one more round for the video. We'll make this video like 10 or however long this round takes. But this, I'm going to play like 3 rounds. This is my 3rd round. So, the first one, I came in 3rd. The second one, I came in 2nd. And this one, I'm hoping to end of the video with winning 1st. That'll be a pretty cool thing to do. You can also customize your car, like make it colors without even paying anything. I want to make mine the smiley car for the video. I tried them barrels because it looked like it'd blow up, and they never blew up. Like, that's crazy. You give me something that looks like You give me something that looks like it can blow up and never even blows up. What the heck is up with that? I just now remembered something. Oh, 97. Let's see if we can get to the hundreds and then come in first, and we'll get $200 out of this round. 200 or more even. Sweet. That was awesome. Thank you guys, thank you. I actually just got this game last night. I downloaded it on my tablet last night and figured I could do a gameplay video on it. I'll leave it down in the description of what it's called and where you can go and get it. You can actually go and get it anywhere, to be honest. You can get it on any like tablet, phone, Android, Apple, any of that stuff. I got a Samsung Galaxy tablet and an Apple iPhone, so I got it on both. But I guess I'll leave in the description what the game's called. As usual, I always leave in the description what the game is called. Just that way you don't have to go back to the video and everything. You can just look it down in the description and see it. Oh, I got a major blow up situation right here. Yeah, I knew I was gonna do that. Oh, dang. I got 238. I got first place. Total, I got 358. Oh my god, that is good. Let me see how much money I have total now. 1,439. So I started at 800. Now I'm at 1,439. And I won bronze. So I'm going to do a video on the bronze thing, and I'll do it on every medal. I'll do a video on every medal every time I unlock something. So I'll see you guys in a little bit once I upload this video to YouTube, release it to YouTube for where you guys can see it, and we'll do the bronze thing, and hopefully we can unlock some new stuff. So, see you guys.